Hey, welcome back. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host, as always. It's Paul Motley here with another episode of my daily podcast to you guys. And if you haven't noticed, it's super windy. I've gone outside. I don't know why, because it sounds like a hurricane's coming in, but it's not really that bad. So I noticed something today. What the date was actually. It was the 4th of December, 2020, which means in 3 weeks from today will actually be Christmas Day, and conversely 4 weeks will be in the new year. So you actually got a little bit of time left in 2020 to make a real difference to what you're doing, because if you put your feet up, trust me, nothing will happen. That's kind of like what happens, right? If you don't do anything for your business, no one else is going to build it for you. So what are you going to do for the last 4 weeks-ish of this year? Are you going to sit back? Are you going to go, okay, right, well, we've hit December, it's nearly Christmas, I've got to start thinking about that, I'm just going to let it ride? Are you really going to let 1/12 of the entire year go to waste? Because I'm not. I'm literally fighting every single day to build my business, and that is what you should do, right? And I just got tagged on a post actually. Johnny West was doing a post, and I don't talk about Johnny an awful lot because he is a mentor of mine, and I know that it will get inundated with messages. But he was sort of like doing he's in the middle of doing a 5-day training, and he was showing off the awards that people have got. And since working with Johnny, I have added another 50k to my bottom line, which is astounding. When I actually totaled it up, one of his team reached out to me a couple of days ago and said, hey, would you mind doing this for me and just doing a few sums? And I was like, yeah, cool, that's fine, I can do that. And worked it all out, and it was like, damn, that's serious. You know, and you just got to be thankful for the people which help you get to where you are today, right? And because if you are doing business well, if you are giving enough value, if you are putting yourself out there and making yourself, whether it be, I don't know, for me, it's kind of like, I just want to help people, right? And if I can look back and see all the success that people have had, whether directly or indirectly through my help, that is super satisfying. And I know that Johnny sleeps incredibly well at night because of all the people that he's helped grow their businesses, grow their income, their bank balance, and improve their lives and everything that they've done. So yeah, it was kind of like an appreciation today, but it was really cool to actually see that today. And I just posted it on my Facebook timeline because I just like, I was watching the live and I was like, whoa, that's me, that's my name. Oh my God. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about, you know, don't take the foot off the gas pedal. Keep pushing through. Prepare yourself for a massive push in 2021. I'm going to be right there with you, and I'm looking forward to another podcast episode tomorrow, and we'll speak soon.